Number 10. Canada. Securing the 10th position, Canada leverages its vast natural resources and strong services sector to maintain a highly resilient, formidable stance within the fiercely competitive global economic landscape today. Number 9. Italy. Standing proud at number 9, Italy combines legendary luxury manufacturing with surging industrial exports, solidifying its irreplaceable financial influence across the interconnected modern European economic arena. Number 8. Brazil. Dominating the South American continent, Brazil captures the 8th spot through unmatched agricultural exports and rapidly expanding energy markets, projecting tremendous economic strength on the global stage. Number 7. France. At number 7, France commands immense international market power by leveraging premium aerospace engineering, prestigious luxury brands, and a deeply established, highly sophisticated modern financial services sector. Number 6. United Kingdom. Claiming the 6th position, the United Kingdom utilizes London's unparalleled banking hub and cutting-edge technology industries to maintain a fierce, unyielding grip on vital international monetary flows. Number 5. Japan. Holding steady at number 5, Japan relies on its absolute mastery of advanced robotics, precision automotive manufacturing, and high-tech electronics to secure massive international financial dominance. Number 4. India. Surging into the 4th rank, India exhibits explosive growth fueled by a phenomenal technological boom, massive demographic advantages, and an incredibly dynamic, rapidly modernizing industrial manufacturing base. Number 3. Germany. Securing the bronze medal, Germany stands as Europe's ultimate economic engine, wielding world-renowned automotive engineering and unparalleled industrial export capabilities to generate truly colossal national wealth. Number 2. China. Dominating the 2nd spot, China projects overwhelming global influence through unmatched large-scale manufacturing, massive infrastructure investments, and an incredibly aggressive expansion into next-generation digital technology markets. Number 1. United States. Claiming the absolute pinnacle of global power, the United States commands an untouchable economy, driven by Silicon Valley innovation, dominant consumer spending, and the reigning reserve currency.